What if your next vacation didn't require constant planning? No restaurant reservations, no activity schedules, no hidden costs. Just arrive, relax, and let everything be taken care of. Today, we're exploring the best all-inclusive resorts in the United States. Luxury escapes where comfort, dining, and unforgettable experiences are all included. Little Palm Island Resort and Spa, Florida Keys. Accessible only by boat or seaplane. Little Palm Island feels like a private Caribbean hideaway, yet it's still in the U.S. This adults-only resort offers gourmet dining, personalized service, and a peaceful no-TV atmosphere designed for total disconnection. Meals are chef-crafted, activities are curated, and the ocean sets the rhythm of your day. It's ideal for honeymoons, anniversaries, or anyone seeking barefoot luxury with absolute privacy. Miraval Arizona Resort and Spa, Tucson, Arizona. Miraval is not just a resort, it's a wellness experience. Set in the Sonoran Desert, this all-inclusive retreat focuses on mindfulness, movement, and mental clarity. Your stay includes healthy gourmet meals, fitness classes, meditation sessions, and even equine therapy. Perfect for travelers looking to reset, recharge, and reconnect with themselves. The Lodge on Little St. Simon's Island, Georgia. This hidden gem is accessible only by boat and limits the number of guests at any time. The all-inclusive experience includes fresh coastal cuisine, guided nature excursions, kayaking, and wildlife exploration. It's rustic yet refined, where luxury means silence, space, and untouched natural beauty. Ideal for nature lovers who want comfort without crowds. Club Med, Sandpiper Bay, Florida. One of the most family-friendly, all-inclusive resorts in the U.S. Club Med Sandpiper Bay includes dining, drinks, sports programs, kids clubs, and nightly entertainment. There's something for everyone: golf, tennis, fitness classes, and waterfront activities. It's energetic, social, and designed for families who want structured fun without planning every detail. Vista Verde Guest Ranch, Colorado. An all-inclusive guest ranch experience in the Rocky Mountains. Your stay includes gourmet meals, horseback riding, hiking, fly fishing, and seasonal adventures like sleigh rides in winter. Evenings are spent by the fire with wine, stories, and mountain views. This resort offers a rare blend of Western charm and upscale comfort. Twin Farms, Vermont. One of the most exclusive all-inclusive resorts in the U.S. Twin Farms offers private cottages, fine dining, personalized activities, and seasonal outdoor adventures. Every detail, from meals to experiences, is customized to each guest. It's intimate, refined, and deeply personal. Perfect for travelers seeking quiet luxury in a natural setting. Mohonk Mountain House, New York. A historic castle-like resort overlooking a glacial lake in the Hudson Valley. All-inclusive packages include meals, hiking trails, boating, wellness classes, and seasonal activities. In winter, it transforms into a cozy retreat with fireplaces and snowy views. In fall, it's surrounded by brilliant foliage. It's ideal for families, couples, and travelers who love classic American elegance. Bungalows Key Largo, Florida. An adults-only all-inclusive resort in the Florida Keys. Bungalows Key Largo includes gourmet dining, premium drinks, water sports, and wellness amenities, all in a relaxed island atmosphere. It's social but not loud, luxurious without being flashy, a perfect balance for couples who want both connection and calm. Canyon Ranch, Massachusetts, and Arizona. Canyon Ranch is a pioneer in wellness-focused all-inclusive travel. Guests enjoy nutritious cuisine, health consultations, fitness programs, and spa services. Every experience is designed to improve long-term well-being, not just relaxation. It's ideal for travelers who want their vacation to feel meaningful and restorative. Skytop Lodge, Pennsylvania. Set in the Pocono Mountains, Skytop Lodge offers a classic American all-inclusive escape. Meals, outdoor activities, and seasonal programs are included, from hiking and kayaking to winter sports. It's family-friendly, scenic, and timeless. A great option for multi-generation vacations. All-inclusive doesn't have to mean overseas. Across the United States, these resorts prove that effortless luxury, unforgettable experiences, and true relaxation can be found closer than you think. Whether it's a desert wellness retreat, a mountain hideaway, or a tropical island escape, the perfect all-inclusive vacation might already be waiting for you, right here at home.